Okay, the name still remains Armstrong Poleeno. Ade say we are new ewa ha now I subscribe to channel no click on bell notification. Na can be able post interview biana na say video biana because they say no you call break for comedy but they say no you back and Poleeno Multimedia back the comedy no asaba. Nti watch out Otele doing amazing job. What I say oh Poleeno Multimedia. Now me catch you say ko Instagram Poleeno_com ne ko follow also so no because I also you drop it any update any news biana egu honom no. Now me catch you say oh you young boy na say opese unyeska na ope betting company oh yeah ubenyeska ko one expert and for phone download one expert or download here no I deposit we deposit use promo code we Poleeno 1x we use Poleeno 1x on the amount 200% bonus of your deposit na say all the 10 cedis tomorrow on the amount 30 cedis na say what me e dey aye bet kama na unim say a reliable company almost sponsor major of the Europe leagues what you say nti anya dia udi 20 billion kra na usika on sa ebeka mene director Samdarkus NTI ebedi homo CEO of Kumawood yaka Kumawood engofo rebre nim say CEO ne de eno ane director Samdarkus but enen ye bibie no who director Samdarkus is ono ena edidin Kumawood ebae director
Poleeno mejoso
me papa no but me nya say that.
Yeah, it's true.
I'm so privileged to have you here.
Thanks to have me.
Me nyani packet to achi ase.
Oh,
bi odi Kumawood aba me tene nche 101 na e betwe nkom.
Poleeno.
Yeah, shira me. Director. Yeah, before I be starting command kra, den na edin Kumawood ne ba.
Me da sipa say me started say me changing my face with this gray.
Okay.
When the first person I interview.
Wow.
Yes, reference. Yeah. Number some hide face in kakra for a while.
Okay.
And Sana. I went for a year, but I was say twice. Me that say okay say the name Kumawood no then buy in short na your location I shoot.
Okay.
The movie be. And that movie na me directed sign so I acted the leading role.
Okay.
Enti na Afia nigga also the
okay.
Control baby was.
Na your production.
Yeah, me am production.
Okay.
Enti me directed sound so your way.
Okay. And now feature Afia nigga.
Yeah, na me I say obi a one accident na still an spirit that's all now.
Okay.
Yeah, so na say me da coffin me da funda kam nti near ya adwuma day and night na abre me die nti me da amone to da kan mo kata me so no ifa mu koi like me ho hwe me dem fun ma da
na say
say
ukokoma na say
me nka se kuma but me dem fa nse ma bre no ma da.
Okay.
Nti that was around 12 to 2 time. Enti area. Enti you were feeling inside the shooty. And that also they and I also be coffin so. No wa bad day obe hu say me dem because na me near my yes me fear me see ni my japa dey so depend on him. Don't find come my family.
Okay.
Na ase me hunt no.
Okay.
Ndo akofa girl abeto dem a all run home abaya adwuma no na me dane coffee no.
Okay.
And obebi esu no hu me. So it was like ya kate na ya san to aso.
Okay.
Bi ho ya na sire ya bam. Me dem no same day. I was gone. And through that no. And omo wiye no omo say like omo nwane me na minwane na it was a whole lot na if we start school soon ya day. And me take voice no what say omo din show pete so. And me pie and answer me ba the normal way. That was when I came out with the name.
Na pacho mama breaking room kakra. O call off na say na odwen say wada no. Na wo so da ye bi na say
na wo nam baby am nam.
Na hu say on nam baby.
Yeah, I said die bi the other day. Enti no. Me dey me back no. E din Kumawood no.
And
e ba ma dwene me say Bibi Kumawood. Oh yeah, a bit my boy. What I say?
Yeah.
And at that time, I am okay. And you break his set for the day.
Okay.
And also the your boy spirit. So the only
body tilapia.
Yes. Me 2 car. That's another super fan that be 2 years. And I'm the bar registrar general Kumasi. And I'm the
next day na.
That day na, the next day.
That day na.
The breast you break his set na me call registrar general. That was 2011.
Wow.
And I'm co-registered at the tour. 2010, yes.
Now only
2010 and 20, yes. Me register now as Kumawood Multimedia.
Okay.
Multimedia no.
In my
yes, in my thoughts no. I beginning I said maybe a TV station, maybe a radio station, maybe. So it was around there. But through that, because Afia, I was set.
Yeah, Afia Schwarzenegger.
And me explain it train. No, wow, it's a good name. And then they beat him there. And the following week, you shooting, me cry. Now me free Afia. And I buy my hotel. So in commodity demon, and I fear the idea of the awards. No say it to me. You should know at the year awards beside a bebo because at that time, no, my father said the only award scheme and Ghana movie awards. Yes, and Tiama, I just said you better develop, and I started. That was the day. And if you share, the next day, I started say a call. Other radio stations, no coding combo. Afia, your preferred media guys be. I can't remember. They all. Oh, Sammy Flex.
Sammy Flex.
Sammy Flex. Yes, the first Sammy by. Sammy so was in support of the idea.
Okay.
And he started say to Nema. That time Scarecrow or Tammy and they organize the
first one.
The maiden edition, that was the launching.
The launch of it.
Yes, you convey Accra Media, no. I can't come as for near no Maclean Hotel.
Okay.
That was when we didn't start to say, what I say, Kosa, Kumawood. So the media guys now, a free can buy, they be against it because na Fred Nyama and
movie awards.
Yes, so. You can imagine, say,
it's a kind of competition.
Yes, so they started to, descend. Oh, yes, Kumasi Fati, and they say, oh, you Kumawood for, and you say. You understand? Basano, the management decided, say, no, we won't talk about it. Let them promote it.
Okay.
Let them promote it. And I'm afraid stars maybe no more interview. Hey, Kumawood, yes, Martin. They be fucking they be they be in support they be say against it. And I cry sa e din no beto Kumawood for so and I say those base movies so but na enya there yes say the be change chemu and I say the be bibia
it was an award scheme.
It was an award scheme and I a multimedia
thing.
Yes.
So this is here TV
that is it.
All right. And they say Kumawood TV running wherever you are, be no for decoder no scan. And I want scan when you for decoder na o search Kumawood obo. Na me catch you say the ribbon se bra na o ma ho nye face o your ba na say ope wig papa asha ma ho aye the ribbon e se bra na o ma ho enye fe wig na ne bo so enye den ne bo da form. Go Dubai na wig bebre ho ba mbisa the ribbon say nti wig we nyina mu because ne boss so for change the Dubai no it's high quality chain the ribbon say from 0546925622 0546925622 from any omunin count so be party so be wedding event or from be nice decoration amount the ribbon esebra normal awo foforo me dey Armstrong Poleeno dey try ho aba. Okay, I'm right back with director Samdarkus, and my brief story of how the name Kumawood came about, and it's very strange. I mean, the first time I met Matthias and it's very strange. No wonder the name is so powerful. Afia baby, we are here for now. Director.
Yep.
So, what is the next thing? Kumawood eba no ebijina like awards ne ba no ebijina.
Yeah, ebijina pa.
Okay.
Ebijina pa. On say your vision, you know, you adwin say you fat the northern side of the Ghana. A far Kumasi, Tamale, vote and other. My friend say omomodi local speaking dialects no movies no.
Antina mu use for any film.
Yes, I just say be use local omobi Ghana kasa.
Okay.
At the movies. And a surprise will be I say no be any Tamale. Almost what Hollywood.
Okay.
Almost a twa movies scratch in a channel Ashanti region. And it took out the call Tamale. According to more and more Kasai. Emma almost Tiasia. Emma voter for the movies by. Ewe for the movies by. Ewe like voter. And fra for the movies by. How is that for the movies by?
Wow, you should Ghana
Kasa. And big they see who say varieties of languages
and Abba.
And you could see
different talents.
This is Ghana. What I say. And I'm for any pa na anytime be a baby no who say Sabian for Domagroba na we must Domagroba bia Santifon be frakente they be a botai na we be a jarabia so it was nice.
Okay. And then all of a sudden Kumawood was a free home.
Because I say then all of a sudden you movies.
And movie channel because Mekai say or last nominees are the buy and officer na me din room me get or Lottie Afia Lottie no Ghana most beautiful din PM but I was now as from then na
yes you know I had a problem kakra with na percent any other media houses be joining.
Okay.
And somebody any media house be joining issues kakra be buy. Nti enunti na that year no ye ntimi anye and near no almost a contract and now so train ma contract no and son our sign asset ye be san chance you know emu na industry so started a collapse here and it wasn't deliberate say bia ye though me personally ma nya award no enya bibia mfiri mu da anytime bia me award no bia na at the Canaba.
Wow. And there's a question.
Yes, me pump is going pa. Me kai pa say award no. Before award na me fan say my bob braka kra. Okay. It was Chicago Bank. Yeah. But that's intenu na me pumpy.
Scanner.
Pumpy shem ti. Ye be bia no because man kai say me nya sponsor that.
Okay.
And at that time not voting so instead strong. So a day now the best survival. What you say? Take it. And to tell you the frank, Ghana and Kumasi busunya.
Okay.
Industry we from kwa eka say by event na ehoyama. Enti untimi enjirimu take it bia. You understand? Enti na it was a canon na yebo. But me canon na me bono na ha me because na me say ne me didi ho say ne me didi ho.
Okay.
What you say? Na hamba kokura but ene matimi even me jai awards na that no. Me didi ho ama it's not bad.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Director, Kumawood buy, you know, now one phobia almost sabotage or say yeah, because and some me attitude in say industry no say and few be one buy what the buy most of the times and painful be bugu who faces a challenge maybe.
Oh baby metete by man from any.
Okay.
What I say metete baby but
say
an artist there. Untiminka say
yeah,
and I mean I don't fear anybody.
Okay.
So me ma dia me mfa ho ne de obeka. De me ye no kwa eso me nyankopon ni I am okay.
Okay.
Nti me mfa ho ne de obeka. And definitely me wo producers be voice. Me wo producers be and I say artists ni be voices. What I say? I'm a keep up to now.
Okay.
Say be a this year there. Now a call in favor of Poleeno. Oh, Kumawood Awards is the best. Oh, Kumawood Awards is the Charlie and no one echo. But next year, I'm quite now. Oh, someday or the I say, Wakaji bribe. Wakaji say, but me who will be able to catch Mr. Sam. Jimmy bribe.
Okay.
Because Obia no Ba Obia deserve.
Okay.
Obia you been nominated to be a deserve. So what it is in Zambia, yeah, now forget it.
Okay. And say issues be bring by Lewen cry no binya some say awards be why emfato be na ye de amano. Yes Kumawood so sana neti na awards are what the favor and kofobi our industry.
Yes, awards the way they never favor be.
I didn't.
Yes, in a sense award beer on scheme.
Okay.
What I say? Award beer on marking schema or the marking idea.
Okay.
And it's a one follow scheme now in favor. Who follow a favor? The other a favor be in favor. One, yeah, the NSA for movie bra. Submit your movie. Now, yeah, chef movies now submitting. Now, found and nominate. Mean to me, movie will be property.
Okay.
Company as Kumawood to me and for movie no emma. And to go artists. Who producer, who crew member, Fabra, fill the forms, Fabra, who the baby yeah, yes, you are the abanoso. I nomination.
Okay.
It is a make us say, who favorite artist, I'm fa the best movie ama. Now, obi the best movie aba. Near share who say, yes, we muna no movies by when they deserve it. Yeah, the man, yeah, bias. That is the whole thing. That is the whole thing.
It's not producing.
I've been feeling proud to say, I didn't say, you know, men family. Samdarkus now compare, I didn't inquire. I quite remember, I'm passing about artists be a pa a drew honor. And I or submitting the movie. Or yes, over submitted. To where is it? Over submitting. And a friend. And I'm so okay. So, come best when I first were. Me and Sabeka. And was okay. Or the ma obi their breme.
Okay.
And I'm saying, na forms no failing. Was it there be? I'm saying, them is fail forms no mammy. The panel frame or the breme. Or I'm failing forms or the movie nine and buy. And I'm a friend, and I'm saying, say, process it here. I said, oh, feeling I was sign. And today, you say one or the buy. It is so said by ya, because me the command, yeah, jury. With the command, I mean, Tramubi.
Okay.
And my consider say, anyway. I'm the Bremen, Dominia Bremen, I'm present. It is so, oh, dear, you say, mammy. Oh, Samuel, dear, would die. I'm suffering be one fee. Anna, me am a present here in the coy. A coy, one, jury no, almost selected the award, why in the former BBA.
Okay.
What I say, no more ye, not said the almost and Kayamako dear, one fat correct procedure, man, no, Omako him, and a random way. And at the end of when I buy a nut, the pan moving, you and choose it.
Okay.
None of wolf. What I say?
Yeah.
So these are some of the things that I was I said, one tiasia, I want your pill.
Okay.
What I say? Your pet, your word, your honor. Yeah, why you are near honor. Now, your boa basso. But way a competitive.
Okay.
And you know, well, I was a year 77 call about Chico in submitting nomination.
Yeah, nominate.
Yeah, nominate too. What I say? Because the panel does.
Yeah.
And non interest what could you bribe?
Okay.
When him say why you may be. Me who ye, or being who ye, or not the basse.
We are
my year you may be say, a do my way no. A come at Timon no more mama basso.
Obi beka say time na Kumawood Awards so ho na a ginger movie industry because I quite remember say e do December na say be Kumawood Awards e ho e feye ye hwe ahen for mo tutu tennis and your man kofo ba e be hwe a news and this go viral. I think it's a media house be a very reported. Any awards no anyone no. Enso so ye. Only ni say awards no osa de babaka ebetimi akenya industry ni say dey ka say bring back the love of Kumawood no.
Yes, me kai say awards ni de koto ye nana otumfo anim. Nana jitum prekope. Emma ye say o support ye. Na bibia ye here bi ayende. Yenye. Awokra na mo say nana hwe ye movies ni bi pa. Otiasia. Ehimfo a etwa kro yin wa hye nyina na omo pe. So we invite obi a oba. Stakeholders na there no obia ni je ho. Okay. Enti ebema that day ni duru na akwa say festival no. Obi kura wo outside no person baby. Otiasia. Enti I think say eba back here. Ebe san boa ama industry no akonani. But Kumawood Awards is there for Kumawood. Okay. So mbompa na production enko so. Se amanfo shoot ya na ebenya we ede aba award wo. Okay,
there all can patch me ntwa no. Na say me come back Kumawood bring back the love of Kumawood. Yep. Many directors will be akasa actors will be akasa. Ebi so say adwuma na ba. And say YouTube no. Enti YouTube no. Eno an kakran na you say ngofo do e kohyem nti eno an na di page adwuma no nti say wo ka say production enkosi make us say fa bremai say ya Dr. Like mo ne tension atwan mo omo ye adwuma gidigidi 24/7 omo twa adwuma le when so me nya nti say ne o ye adwuma gidigidi nti ye ntwen kosi time ben dey say production enkosi.
Yes, me ka say ntwen won say every decade biya no there's a change in the system. Okay. What I say? Yeah, by industry, monona, Piamonco, Patrico Tum, Nano. Yeah, with the help of Miracle Films near that, no, almost soon, Emma, of our artists be. Certain kind of movies, no, code in Nigeria. Okay. Or boy, my assign back. What I say? It took him alone, and why sad. And a buyer and a bedroom level beer. He say social media, no. I will take over. And na producers ni be smart. Okay. Ama omont me capture hono. And a banner. But let me say this thing. Let me say be able to but say the way forward. Okay. Yeah, na me tise momo movie. Able say the way forward. And me ya.
I didn't hear.
One, the way forward no. Don't expect Miracle Film to come and do miracle again. Okay. What I say? Me expect bafo wa Pa Thomas Poji mo say omo nansa ma ye bibi bio. Okay. What I say? Omba ye kra mba bre enye easy ma wo mo. You understand? Wo ho ye dey. Okay. Wo na obi kra na me hwa ne na de kra me ntia se ne Zion Felix. Okay. Zion Felix ti ho ye dey. What I say? Okay. Through this industry here na wo Zion name mo nyina. Mo interview stars the Google mo platforms wa manya big market. Sa market no eso chen Kantamanto. Eso chen Kajetia. Okay. Aya big. You understand? And to moment to day bloggers need to hold day. Okay. Money the next generation. Men go interview one say nti end wa bra ono ne WhatsApp group kura enru this in say me to na say me hwe mo na me aya me ya.
Okay, there may so much chip in say okay, if you are talking about me for instance, me I was in the industry, I'm a producer, director and I make blogging. I will accept say I can do something to change. But honestly me hear me more other bloggers to say Zion money GH ko kunin kongonsa or makana. Also they are not in the industry. They are only into
listen my boss Zion team because me organize Kumawood Awards. Me that time, that time no starting you.
Yeah, no baby.
Oba interview stars no. Okay. E dey go go the platform so na engineer man na say. And to say stars and the fans. And what keep you. Okay. I didn't know you stars na ntwa movie.
Oh, we are working on that for that one. And then they disclose.
Oh, match.
We are working on that too. I mean,
match to the sense, bruh. ana maka man expect me say me san enye bibi ebi o wona duru so
okay
mo na duru so because mo na mo market no I get my point
na mo the field no
field no dey o ba na aboa industry en finances na bam en finances na ba industry
okay
you understand enti no mamo ntra on twen and de bia me interview yenko de bia me interview yenko masa monya fan base no more fans it is a Zion twa movie na Zion say me premiere movie ni say or even me platform nko aso sika obehwe I am telling you honestly sika Zion obehwe no nye bi ni de onenam ho na wo ye no
okay
enti say ye nyina ye sum na ye boa